There's something most people don't say out loud when they're building a business. There comes a moment when you realize you've been solving the wrong problem, not in the wrong business, just the wrong version of it. That moment is either where most people quit or where things finally get honest. I chose honest. For years, I was teaching people how to use Kajabi, how to set up their courses, how to run their funnels, how to get Kajabi actually working for their business. I was the person who made complicated platforms less scary. And I loved that work. I really did. But I kept watching the same thing happen over and over. People would learn the platform, get it set up, get excited, and then life would get busy and the whole thing would just sit there, half used, barely touched. Because learning a platform is one thing, actually running a business on top of it is something else entirely. The real problem wasn't that people didn't understand Kajabi or GoHighLevel or any other platform. The real problem was that they didn't have time to manage all of it on top of everything else they were already doing. I needed to get more honest about that. If you've been following me for a while, thank you. That genuinely means everything. You might notice things look a little different around here. New name, new focus, new energy, but I am still Queen Geek. I'm just getting more specific about who I'm here for and what I'm actually here to do. Here's what I believe now, and I believe it completely. AI should disappear into your business. It should not become your new job. It should not require you to become a tech person. It should just work quietly in the background so you can focus on the thing you actually built your business to do. My job is to build that for you. That's it. That's the whole thing. I build the AI. You run the business. This channel is for the solopreneur who is done trying to figure it all out alone. Maybe you've bounced around platforms, Kajabi, GoHighLevel, something else, and you're just tired of learning new tools every year. Maybe someone told you AI was the answer but never explained how. Maybe you just want your business to run better without adding another thing to your plate. You don't need to learn everything. You don't need to become an expert. We're not doing complicated over here. That's a promise. Here's what I'm building: a community focused on solving solopreneur challenges through AI, where you learn how to set up your own custom AI team that runs the behind the scenes work in your business. Not a course you buy and forget, a community where we actually do this together. And if you'd rather just have it done for you, I have options for that too. New videos here every week. Plain language, no overwhelm. If any of this sounds like what you've been looking for, stay. Subscribe. Watch the next video. Come find me in the community. The link is in the description below. You don't need a lot of money to start. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to be ready to stop doing everything the hard way. I'll handle the rest. Welcome to my channel. I'm really glad you're here.